Good day everyone, I am Justin Esusto and I am here to share some lecture activity that we can develop in the future. But before we proceed to our topic, so here's a short brief history about our barangay. Our barangay is one of the competitive barangay in our municipal. We are focusing in the cultural and sports, and we have also two tourist spots here like the Stars Eco Park and Bulyo Hillside. So the leisure and recreational activity that we can develop here is a cultural center. It helps to mold our young people of this barangay to improve their talents and skills about the culture and the tradition of our barangay. So this cultural center can include workshop, cultural exhibits, and artworks and crafts about this barangay. The other leisure and recreational activity that we can put here is a picnic area, a community park, and a sports complex for the young people that love sports.